Our next problem is integral x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Integral x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. So we can write this as, here add and subtract 1, that is x plus 1 minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square dx. Now divide by x plus 1 whole square, this is x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Here 1 x plus 1 gets cancelled, that is dx by x plus 1 minus this is 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Now apply integration. This is in the form of integral 1 by x dx, that is log mod of x plus 1 minus this is in the form of x power n, that is 2 into x plus 1 power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus integral constant, arbitrary constant, that is says log of mod x plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 2 into this is x plus 1 power minus 1, that is 2 by x plus 1 plus c. Our next problem is integral sin x by sin of x minus alpha dx. Here let us take x minus alpha is equal to t, dx is equal to dt. Here implies x is equal to alpha plus t. So now substitute, this is sin of alpha plus t by this is sin t, dx is equal to dt. This is sin of a plus b, that is sin alpha cos t plus cos alpha sin t divided by sin t dt. Now divide by sin t, here sin alpha into cos t by sin t is, that is cot t, or you can put it as it is cos t by sin t dt plus here sin t gets cancelled, that is cos alpha dt. Now integrate, this is sin alpha into this is integral cos t by sin t dt plus here cos alpha is constant, this is integral dt. This is sin alpha into this is log mod sin t. Integral cos t by sin t is log mod sin t plus this is t into cos alpha. Now remove t. In place of t we can write x minus alpha. This is sin alpha into log of sin of x minus alpha plus x minus alpha into cos alpha. Okay, plus c, arbitrary constant. Our next problem is integral dx by sin x plus cos x. So here multiply and divide by root 2, root 2 into sin x into 1 by root 2 plus cos x into 1 by root 2. This is dx by root 2 into sin x into cos pi by 4 plus cos x into sin pi by 4. This is in the form of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is sin of a plus b. This is root 2 into sin of x plus pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2 into, now this is in the form of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2, that is 2 tan of x by 2 plus pi by 8 by 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square theta by 2, that is x by 2 plus pi by 8. Applied submultiple angles form. This is 1 by root 2 into, now 1 plus tan square is secant square, x by 2 plus pi by 8 by 2 tan x by 2 plus pi by 8 dx. Now let t is equal to tan of x by 2 plus pi by 8, dt is equal to derivative of tan is secant square x by 2 plus pi by 8 dx. Here in place of x we have x by 2, so we will have extra 1 by 2. Now substitute, this is 1 by root 2 secant square, that is here 1 by 2 is there, we can write whole thing as dt by t, that is 1 by root 2 log mod t plus c. Now in place of c again we can write tan of x by 2 plus pi by 8 plus c. Our next problem is integral dx by root of 1 plus x plus root x. First rationalize the denominator. This is root of 1 plus x plus root x. Here multiply and divide with root of 1 plus x minus root x by root of 1 plus x minus root x. This is equal to root of 1 plus x minus root x by, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 1 plus x minus x dx is there. Here x gets cancelled. Now this is equal to root of 1 plus x dx integral minus integral root x dx. Now apply integration. This is 1 plus x power, root means power 1 by 2. So integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Apply this formula. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, here also same, x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3, 1 plus x power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. Our next problem is integral sin inverse x plus cos inverse x dx. So this is directly value, its value is sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x value is equal to pi by 2. Now substitute here, this is pi by 2 dx. Pi by 2 is constant term, pi by 2 into integral dx, that is equal to pi by 2 integral dx is x. Pi by 2 x plus c is the answer. Our next problem is integral sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. So now divide, this is sin cube x by sin square x cos square x plus this is cos cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. Here one sin square, here sin square gets cancelled, this is sin x by cos square x plus here cos square gets cancelled, this is cos x by sin square x dx. So this is sin x by cos x is tan x, 1 by cos is sec x, cos by sin is cot x, 1 by sin is cosec x. Now apply integration. This is integral sec x tan x dx. This is integral cosec x cot x dx. Integral sec x tan x is sec x. Integral cosec x cot x is minus cosec x plus c, arbitrary constant. Our next problem is integral 1 by x plus x log x dx. This is equal to integral, here take x common, x into 1 plus log x dx. Here let us take t is equal to 1 plus log x, dt is equal to derivative of 1 0, derivative of log x is 1 by x dx. Now here dx by x is there, that is dt, 1 plus log x is t. This is equal to log mod t plus c. Now t we took 1 plus log x, that is log of 1 plus log x plus c. Our next problem is e power log of sin x dx. So e power log f of x is equal to f of x. So here in place of f of x we have sin x, that is sin x dx. Integral sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c. Our next problem is integral sin power 4x minus cos power 4x dx. So this is sin power 4x can be written as sin square x whole square. This is cos square x whole square dx. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Apply here, this is sin square x minus cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. But sin square x plus cos square x is identity, its value is 1. Substitute here, this is sin square x minus cos square x dx. Now we have cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x, but here ulta is there, sin square x minus cos square x, that is minus cos 2x, that is minus integral cos 2x dx. Integral cos is, that is sin 2x, here 2x derivative is 2 plus c is the integration. Our next problem is integral 1 plus 2 tan x into tan x plus sec x power 1 by 2 dx. Integral 1 plus 2 tan square x plus 2 sec x tan x power 1 by 2 dx. Integral 1 plus, here tan square can be written as tan square plus 2 sec x tan x 1 by 2 dx. 1 plus tan square is secant square x plus tan square x plus 2 sec x tan x power 1 by 2 dx. This is equal to integral sec x plus tan x whole square power 1 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, that is integral sec x plus tan x dx. So now integral sec x is log mod sec x plus tan x. Integral tan x is log mod sec x plus c. Our next problem is integral tan x by sec x plus tan x dx. This is integral tan x by sec x plus tan x. Here multiply and divide by sec x minus tan x. This is integral sec x tan x minus tan square x. This is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is secant square x minus tan square x dx. This is integral secant x tan x minus tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1, that is minus secant square x plus 1 divided by secant square minus tan square is 1 dx. Now apply integration. Integral sec x tan x dx is sec x minus integral secant square x is tan x plus integral 1 dx is x plus c. Our next problem is integral x by 1 plus x power 4 dx. Here let us take t is equal to x square, dt is equal to 2x dx plus dt by 2 is equal to x dx. Now substitute here x dx is there, that is dt by 2 into 1 plus x power 4, that is t square. This is equal to 1 by 2 into integral dt by 1 plus t square, that is 1 by 2 into integral dt by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t plus c, that is 1 by 2 tan inverse x square plus c. Next problem is integral sin x by a square plus b square cos square x dx. This is sin x by, here take a square common, a square into 1 plus b square by a square cos square x dx. Here let us take t is equal to b by a cos x, dt is equal to b by a minus sin x dx. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. This is sin x dx is equal to a dt by b minus sin x dx. Now substitute here, sin x dx is equal to minus a by b dt by a square into 1 plus t square. This is minus 1 by ab, here 1 a gets cancelled, integral dt by 1 plus t square minus 1 by ab dt by 1 plus t square. Integration is tan inverse of t plus c, that is minus 1 by ab into tan inverse of, now t is equal to b by a cos x plus c. Our next problem is integral 1 by x minus 1 whole cube x plus 2 whole power 5 power 1 by 4 dx. This is 1 by x minus 1 whole cube. Now multiply and divide by x plus 2 whole cube. This is x plus 2 whole cube. This is already x plus 2 power 5 into x plus 2 whole cube whole power 1 by 4 dx. This is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole cube. This is x plus 2 power 8 power 1 by 4 dx. This is dx by this is x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole cube is there, here power 1 by 4 is there, that will be power 3 by 4. Now 8 by 4 is 2, that is x plus 2 whole square. Now let t is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 2. Now apply integration, dt is equal to x plus 2 into 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square dx. U by v formula. This is x gets cancelled, 2 plus 1 is 3 by x plus 2 whole square dx is equal to dt. Now dt by 3 is equal to dx by x plus 2 whole square. Substitute here, this is dx by x plus 2 whole square is dt by 3. This whole thing is t power 3 by 4. This is 1 by 3 into dt by t power 3 by 4. Now integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This in the form of x power n. This is 1 by 3 into its integration is t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. Minus 3 by 4 plus 1 is plus 1 by 4. This is 4 by 3 into, here also plus 1 by 4. T is x minus 1 by x plus 2 power 1 by 4 plus c is the final answer.